once was a boy trying to make it home for Christmas.
It's like 2 days to Christmas. It's hard to tell because we haven't put up the decorations yet. We haven't put the tree up or anything, so.
And he was sailing the whole way from Cape Town, South Africa to Melbourne, Victoria, Australia.
So sailing into Melbourne, so it's not really home. It's still a long way from home for me in Australia, but it's, you know, it's the country, it's the culture. So yeah, it would be good. My mum and dad are coming down. They're pretty excited about it all. I think Mum might be the #1 Facebook fan on Vestas 11th Hour Facebook page.
The ETA for their trip was Christmas Day. He was so excited to get in to see the family. But then, big cold low pressure system forced them deep south to the Southern Ocean. And they couldn't jibe to get north. Oh no! Oh no! Suddenly a jibe! And then they were off on their way, hoping to make it there for Christmas Day.
Motivation to go faster?
Yeah, so we've been down in the cold for too long and we're pretty keen to get out of there. So we're heading north now. So any minute now it's going to be balmy and warm and we're going to be sailing in shorts and t-shirts.
I'm not going to be any help to you, mate. Christmas time for me is just a holiday. Real Christmas for me is going away, normally going away with my family, going on summer holiday. Yeah.
What's the summary about this? We're on a boat?
Ho ho ho.
But Tom wishes he could get there in time to see his family for Christmas, because they're all going to be there. Mother and father, sister. He even hasn't seen his sister for nearly 3 years. And his sisters and his little niece, Lucille, he's never even met. That's the hard thing with this job. My family moves around a lot, and I'm always moving, so it's not often we get everyone together like this, so it's pretty cool that they're all going to be there. I don't think we've had a Christmas with the family for like 5 or 6 years, probably 4 or 5 years, 4 years. So it's going to be cool.
The other thing to consider is when map phrase within 200 miles. Huh? The other thing to consider is when map phrase within 200. Yeah, it's done. Yeah. We might as well do it now.
Stealth mode. It can be scary in stealth mode. I'm happy, yeah.
You know, didn't keep up here. Going in anyway. I've read it.
Yeah. Why not?
Yeah. You know, they might have done the same, and if they haven't, it makes, you know, it asks a question to them.
Yeah. We've been asking ourselves a lot of questions about when the best time to jive is, relative to the weather, relative to the routing, and relative to Brunel. And we've kind of made our bet at this point, so we're going to go into stealth mode and see if they've done the same. Not going to make it fun for the guys at home, but unfortunately, it's not why we do it. That's so it's a surprise when we arrive in Melbourne.
What is his voice?
I don't know. TJ's storytelling voice.
Tell you what, getting in there fast and achieving the best result. Only Christmas present anybody really cares about, I can tell you that.
We shall find out how the story ends in a couple of days. Hopefully it's a happy story. Santa Claus is driving the boat right now.
Ho ho ho.
He is driving the boat. He's bringing the sled. The big sled Vestas with.